Welcome, I'm Thanya. Finance builds confidence when guided with calm.
What if your finance team could see the future? Not through guesswork, not through endless spreadsheets, but through an AI-powered agent that integrates directly with ChatGPT. Imagine forecasting profitability, identifying seasonal dips, and projecting margin improvements all in minutes, not weeks. This is not a dream. This is the Decision Solution Agent, plus Level, your next-generation forecasting and trend analysis partner. Let's step into the shoes of a finance leader facing uncertainty in their company's performance. Instead of staring at static reports, they use the Decision Solution Agent to unlock deeper insight. With a simple prompt, the AI instantly produces forecasts, patterns, and clear visuals in both graphs and tables. Let's see how each request brings new clarity to decision-making. The leader begins with a simple command: generate the next 3-month margin forecast. Within seconds, the agent delivers a projection curve, supported by tabular data and commentary. The graph highlights the expected trajectory, while the table breaks down monthly expectations. What was once guesswork is now a confident view of the near future. Next, the leader wants to see forecast customer profitability trend. The AI analyzes historical customer-level data and projects profitability paths. The output graph shows which customers are expected to remain strong and which may decline. Tables provide customer-by-customer forecasts, supported by narrative explaining where risks or opportunities exist. They zoom in on one key line: project margin trend for product B. The agent generates a product-specific margin curve, showing directional shifts over time. Alongside, the table highlights monthly values, and the commentary points to cost pressure and volume effects shaping the outcome. Suddenly, Product B's future outlook is clear and visual. To smooth the noise, they request, show moving average of gross margin. The AI applies rolling averages, presenting a cleaner line graph that reveals the underlying trajectory. The table complements it with calculated averages, and the commentary explains how smoothing exposes the true margin path, avoiding distraction from temporary spikes. Next, they ask, forecast contribution margin for Q3. The AI provides a quarterly forecast broken into scenarios: conservative, baseline, and optimistic. A graph plots the 3 paths, while a table details the values. The commentary guides decision-makers on best and worst-case expectations, ensuring strategy is ready for all conditions.
Step forward in finance. Calm clarity makes each move stronger.
Curious about recurring risks, the leader requests, identify seasonal margin dip pattern. The AI highlights past seasonal declines with visual cues in the graph. The table quantifies dips by period, while commentary explains recurring causes such as promotions, cost surges, or demand shifts. Seasonality, once hidden, is now clearly mapped. Risk is next. Forecast margin volatility. The agent models historical swings and produces a volatility band around the forecast graph. The table shows spread ranges, while commentary explains how wide margins may move in coming months. Leaders now see not just where margins could go, but how much they might fluctuate. They test a scenario, predict margin improvement after costs drop. The AI recalculates margins under reduced cost assumptions, showing a lift in both graph and table. Commentary explains how even small reductions cascade into significant profitability gains. Scenario testing transforms uncertainty into actionable insight. They continue, estimate Q4 margin from last 12 months. The agent uses rolling history to project Q4 outcomes. The graph aligns last year's Q4 with current performance, while the table lists comparative numbers. Commentary provides a balanced forecast, linking past seasonal behavior to present momentum. Finally, the leader asks, compare forecasted versus actual margin. The AI delivers a side-by-side view, forecast lines against realized actuals. The table lists deviations, and commentary highlights variance drivers. Accuracy is no longer hidden. It's measured, explained, and available for continuous improvement.
Start your free 30-day trial. Finance becomes calm strength with Thanya.
What you've just seen is more than forecasting. It's finance intelligence in action. With the Decision Solution Agent, plus Level, you're not just looking at numbers, you're seeing the future of your business with clarity, backed by AI-driven insights. The real benefit is speed, confidence, and foresight. No more waiting for manual reports or static spreadsheets. The answers come instantly in graphs, tables, and plain language analysis that you can use in decision meetings right away. And forecasting is just the beginning. This agent also gives you powerful tools across the margin lifecycle. With data input, you can add variable costs for a more realistic view. Basic margin metrics instantly calculate contribution margins. Variance analysis compares revenue and cost across periods, while the margin waterfall and profit bridge explains exactly where margins shift by product. You can pivot performance across regions and products for multidimensional insight, run monthly forecasts for forward visibility, segment customer profitability to spot your strongest accounts, receive AI-driven recommendations on cost structure, and finally, export everything into Excel reports for sharing and documentation. That's the true power of the Decision Solution Agent. Faster insights, smarter planning, and proactive decision-making, all in one AI-powered platform. And here's your chance to experience it yourself. Click the link in the description to start your 30-day free trial of the Decision Solution Agent, along with access to all 33 finance agents. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more real-world case studies, demos, and success stories of how finance AI is transforming business decisions. The future of finance isn't about waiting, it's about knowing. And with this agent, you're already ahead.